Hi guys, welcome back. In the last lecture, we have learned how to use Python script to perform certain tasks that are directly not possible in Spotfire. In this section, we will learn how to use R script to perform certain other tasks that are directly not possible by Spotfire and also not possible only by Python scripting. In such scenarios, you have to use a combination of R script and Python script to perform these tasks. R is an engine that's TERR, TIBCO Enterprise Runtime Edition for R. You can read more about it in the TIBCO Spotfire online documentation. Now we have a use case where we want that if user does any marking in any of the visualization, something should happen. A script should fire or a label should change or anything should happen. To perform this task, we cannot only have a Python script, we must have Python and R. Here, let's say user marks this part of the visualization. I have a document property over here, a label, which is DP label marking. This label text should change to marked. And if there is no marking, it should change to nothing marked or unmarked. Now, we must write an R script for that. And writing an R script is not as straightforward as writing a Python script. There is a step-by-step process of writing an R script. For the convenience, I have opened up a support.tibco article which tells you how to create an entire R script. So it also says that out of the box it is not possible, right? So we need a data function which is kind of an R script. Let's see how to do that. Now go to edit and go to data and go to data function properties as it says. This is an old version, maybe written an old version. It was earlier under edit, now it's under data. Then click on register new and type the name trigger on filter change. Okay, we don't have to do on filter change, so we will do it on marking change. Okay, then it's R script TIBCO enterprise runtime for R and then description doesn't matter. So this is the script. We are just passing the value of X to Y and the system time to set. So maybe you can just copy this over here and put under script. Fine. Then go for input parameters. What is input parameters? You have to click on add and have X and then allow data types as integer. Okay, click on OK. And then go for output parameters and click on add and then click on Y. Click on OK and then again click on add and click on Z. Click on OK. Fine. Then click on run. Now edit the parameters that we are seeing over here. Okay, now click on refresh function automatically checkbox. Now input will come from the filter or the marking. Now let's have this thing. Input handler is an expression. What is the expression? Count your table column of choice. So let's put this. So we'll put count bracket your table is the orders dot, let's say order ID. Okay, this is it and click on OK. Count of the orders, count of the order ID from the orders table, and then limit by. Here in this limit by we have to select the marking because that's what our objective is. Okay, then click on output, select Y, and output handler is the document property. Document property, click on a new document property and name it doc prop1. Okay, and then select Z. This is again a document property which is named as doc prop2. Click on OK. That's it, and then click on OK. Save to the library, doesn't matter. And remember, as it says, document property 2 is the property where we have to add the script. So this is all done. Click on OK and then click on close. Do you want to save to the library, it's not needed, but the data function has been embedded in this analysis. If you want to save it to the library for others to use, or do you want to use it often, save it to the library. I'll just click it no for now, and I'll click close. Okay, perfect. Now what I'll do is I'll go to file, I'll go to document properties, the docprop2. This is where I will execute the script. Okay, now I'll execute the script based on the docprop1. So I'll put up a script over here and execute the script, and I've written a small script over here. Yes, so if document.properties, so this has to be changed to docprop1. Okay, if the docprop1 is greater than 0, which is an integer, so if marking happens, the document property 1 value will become above 0, right? So that's where we want the script to execute. So the dp label marking becomes marked, else the dp label marking becomes not marked. Fine. This is, I'll just execute in transaction, everything is fine, there's no error over here, otherwise there would be an error if any. Click on OK, and then again it will take a while because it's using the script for the first time, but this should be quick. Click on OK again, click on OK again. All right, now let's see if this works. So now nothing is marked and it says not marked. Fine. Let's say I mark this, it says marked. That's exactly what our objective was. We want to run a script which gets triggered on marking. So if we unmark anything, it says not marked. If we mark anything, it says marked. So like this, we have successfully triggered an R script, and from that we have successfully triggered a Python script, and with the use of together of these two powerful features, we have achieved an objective that was directly not possible in Spotfire. So in this way, you can use the R script to perform certain tasks. I hope this was helpful. You'll find a lot of material over how to use R scripting in Spotfire on the TIBCO support platform or on different other blogs and channels. Thank you, and look forward to talk to you in the next lecture.